Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, if you're considering trying out Notta AI, I have left a link in the description that will take you straight to their site. You can test it for yourself and try it out for free. I'll share my honest thoughts in this video, so make sure you stick around till the end. Now let me ask you this, how many times have you found yourself scribbling notes in meetings or trying to re-listen to recordings just to catch what someone said? Yeah, I have been there. That's exactly where Notta AI claims to save the day. An AI note taker that automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your audio and video content so that you can focus on the conversation instead of the keyboard. But the question is it actually worth using it? So let's find out. So let's talk about some of the features and my first impression. So first off, Notta AI position itself as more than just a transcription app. It's designed to be your personal AI note assistant. It can record online meetings, transcribe conversation in real time, and even generate summaries or mind maps from what they have said. What stood out to me immediately is how simple and clean the interface is. No confusing menus, no learning curve. It's just a kind of software you can open and start using within minutes. You can upload recordings, paste YouTube links, or connect it directly with Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Another cool thing is how fast it works. Short clips get transcribed in seconds, and even hour-long recordings usually finish within a few minutes. I tested out with a mix of accent and background noises, and it handled it way better than I have expected. Plus, Notta supports a variety of file formats like MP3, MP4, WAV, and more, which makes it really flexible no matter which your audio comes from. But what really separates Notta from a lot of other transcription tools is the AI-powered extras. Once the transcript is actually ready, it automatically generates summaries, key highlights, timestamps, and even mind map that visualize organizes your notes. You can also use different summary templates depending on your needs, whether it's for a team meeting, a podcast, a lecture, or even a YouTube video. That's a big plus because it means Notta isn't just spitting out tech, it actually helps you make sense of what you actually said. And if you need to edit your transcript, it's simple as double-clicking to fix words or names. There's also find and replace vocabulary management and translation features. Super handy if you work with multilingual teams. Lastly, the collaboration options are solid. You can share transcripts with team via link, add a password, or even make the notes public if you want. So from a productivity standpoint, it checks a lot of boxes. Alright, now let's break down what I really like about Notta AI. This tool is refreshingly simple. You don't need to be tech savvy to figure it out. And also the accuracy speed, the transcription quality is consistently high and it processes recordings fast, even longer videos. And these AI generated summaries and mind maps save a ton of time, perfect if you just need the main points instead of reading the pages of. And also Notta can handle multiple languages, which is a huge advantage for international users. And also it has its affordable plans. There's a free version, you can just get things started out, and even the paid tiers are competitively priced compared to others. And there is also team collaboration, sharing and organizing of notes with others is effortlessly easy. Overall, Notta feels like one of those tools that just works, no setup, no headaches, no endless tweaking. Of course, no tool is perfect, so here are a few drawbacks I have noticed. So the first thing is the limited free plan. While you can test Notta for free, the free tier gives you limited transcription minutes. You'll hit the cap quickly if you use it regularly. And there is no offline mode. You will need an internet connection for most of its function, which might be a downside for people who travel often or work in restrictive environments. While it's clean and simple, some users might wish for more visual or organizational flexibility within the dashboard. And honestly, that's about it. The pros clearly outweigh the cons here, especially if transcription and note taking are part of your daily workflow. So what are my final thought? Is Notta AI worth it? Absolutely. If you're someone who deals with meetings, podcasts, interviews, lectures, or content creation, Notta can save you hours of your work. It's accurate, intuitive, and loaded with features that actually matter, and it's not just a gimmick. For me, it's one of those tools that quietly boosts your productivity in the background. It's not trying to do everything, it just focuses on making note taking and transcription effortless, and it really nails that. If you want to give it a try, I have left a link in the description that will take you straight to their official site, and you can start for free, no credit card needed, and decide if it's the right fit for you. So that's it for today's review of Notta AI. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and for more honest AI reviews, and click the link in the description to test Notta AI for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.